Good morning to everyone. My name is Fernando Alejandro de Anda Villarreal, and today I'm gonna talk you about a concept that is important in the industry today because they're taking decisions, and I'm talking about the big data. I choose this topic because I found so important on the industries because those days do the things that the the mass uh, say is the most important in the industry. So let me talk a little more of this. To simplify the database, uh, it's a kind of data sets that is a complex that can be now analyzed with traditional database tools or methods. And today world in business, the deal to taking this technological information of your own business, uh, it's in terabytes or petabytes, that it's covered every transactions of clients, or maybe the process, I mean the production of the company. All that data can be analyzed, so it's a critical tool for economy and sustainability. However, the term of big data, it's born at the NASA uh, investigation that is called the evolution of from bone scratchings in the NASA, and that happens in the 90s. And the term borns there, the because they have to count millions of bones, and that's its information. So the the computers in that time can't do all the contents, so they think about make uh, a more technological count, and that is when the big data born. And now we are talking the big data related with the decision supporting systems, the DSS. We use the big data to power the decision supported systems. They are These are the interactive tools to help managers to solve difficulties and structured problems, those by monitoring process uh, about data in real time, like supply chain cycles or employees performance. A DSS ensures that activities are linked with the strategic goals of the company, so that it's related the big data with the DSS. And I think too in the evolution of internet, so that is what related. And about the efficiency and the sustainability, one of the most important aspects of big data is the ability to identify the cost that is invisible to the company. I mean, we analyze the internal process like manufacturing, bottlenecks, and or maybe logistics routes. The companies can optimize the bottom line, checking the big data. So in supply chain management, the CSM, this means that monitoring operation in real time, and or for example in customer relationship management, the CRM, that means it's a predictive tool for sales, for maybe uh, uh, to make a public marketing, and that kind of decision about products and the CSM and the CRM. Well, in a conclusions, the big data is a shift in the industry paradigm, while the web 1.0 created a digital presence, and the web 2.0 created a digital relationships. So the big data provides the intelligence that the human brain can do for ourselves, because it's a lot of information that our brain can do in those days. Um, I think the by converting, I think that the database, sorry, it's converting a raw information into strategic asset. Organizations can get a competitive advantage doing thing, and I think all the companies on the world, or maybe the big companies on the world, make the difference, do it that thing. um, so I think in the modern, as conclusion, that's my conclusion. I think in the modern world, if you gonna be such a big company, the using of big data with the technology those days is the most thing important, because in naturally we can do that with the human brain. So to all the things to make important decisions, the first that we gonna check is the big data. So that's all that I'm gonna to say, and thank you very much.